Hi everyone, and on this video we are going to talk about earning money or getting paid through subscription. And this is another masterclass that I am going to offer to you. So I hope that you are enjoying Freedom to Freelance masterclass overall. We have featured so many different skill sets on this course. So I just hope that you master one, two, or three skills and then you escalate to the next level. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about transcription. I keep saying subscription. So transcription. So anong ibig sabihin when you are transcribing or when you are getting paid through transcription? Ayan. So umpisahan natin sa basic. So let's go ahead and make like an introduction video. And then meron tayong mga videos after this, so many videos on how to do this. And I'm gonna teach you some software, some tools. So don't worry, okay? So let's start with the introduction. Ano ba yung transcription, guys? It's the process in which speech, audio, or video is converted into a written document or text. Kumbaga sa Netflix, ito yung subtitle. Okay? So, in a simpler meaning, typing what you hear. So, merong audio file, 'di ba? Kagaya ng mga MP3, mga sound, audio, anything related to sound, right? Tapos merong video. Yung transcription is isusulat, itatype, word per word, kung ano yung naririnig dun sa audio na yon or dun sa video na yon. Okay? In a nutshell and in Tagalog, that's what it means. And people are getting paid to transcribe a certain audio file or a video file to a word format. So that's where you come in as a transcriptionist. Today is Bulol Day. Ayan, okay. Transcription's aim is to convert, once again, the spoken language into the written form. So, why is there a need to subscribe? Bakit kailangan yung service mo as a transcriptionist or as a transcriber? Okay? So, the answer is to make the information more accessible to anyone, be it audio, video, or written. Okay? Kasi 'di ba may mga tao na mas gusto nila yung auditory na naririnig lang nila yung halimbawa yung isang masterclass. Meron namang mga video, mas naiintindihan nila yung dinidiscuss sa kanilang information when they see and when they listen. But there are some people who want to access lang the written form, yung mga mahilig magbasa ng libro or people who like to read. Okay, so it can be accessible in any form and in any manner. So transcription is very important. So why take transcription as your career? Okay? So if you have the patience, actually, if you have the patience to listen and type word per word naman, so kung may pasensya ka na pakinggan at panoorin yung video and then you type word per word as to what they say, this could be a very good career for you. Okay, so how much a transcriber make? As of this recording, and on based on a transcription site, this is my source on this one, ziprecruiter.com. All right. So as of January 27, 2022, the average annual pay for a work from home transcriptionist in the US is about $58,000. Okay, 58,441. So just in case you need a simple calculator that works approximately about $28 an hour, it's equivalent to 1,000 per week or $4,870 per month. Now, if we calculate that in pesos, 58,441. As of the moment, I'm calculating this based on 50 pesos. That's about 2.9 million in a year. Tama? 58,441 in a year. Okay, so about roughly 3 million in 1 year. And then, in a month, you are approximately earning 243,000 and a week is about 56,200 solely in transcribing. Okay? So, kung hindi ka magaling sa mga ibang skills and you think you're not confident enough, but you know how, you're a good listener at magtiyaga ka naman, definitely you can try transcription. There's a lot of money in place as well. So, your service as a transcriptionist is very much needed in the following businesses and industry. So, saan ka very in demand as a transcriptionist? So, number one, ang mga law firm, ang mga legal courts, paralegal, court reporters, and attorneys, they are very much needed. They need your service very much. Okay? So let's go ahead and read together lang yung nasa text natin. Leading industries who use transcriptionists for legal transcription services are usually law firm. Okay? Kasi kailangan yan sa mga deposition. Di ba sa court, kailangan merong formal text na binabasa, 'di ba, yung mga cases. Sometimes may mga text form 'yon na binabasa, o anong nangyari dito sa kaso na 'to, anong nangyari sa hearing na 'to. 'Yun, doon pumapasok yung mga transcriptionists. Okay, so it's a deposition or court hearings or presentation of audio-video footage as evidence or witness statements. Most legal activities are transcribed, quite often to make them more accessible to lawyers, juries, and judges. So when a transcript of a video or audio file is provided, while the audio or video is played out in the room, it ensures that there is no room for misinterpretation. Okay? That's how important your job is, a transcriptionist. Another industry is the medical and healthcare provider. Since the documentation of patient information is required sa patient file, the recording and transcription of all the procedures, notes, and related materials are also essential. Transcription services are not just necessary, you are imperative in the field of medicine. So that's another one. Students, lectures, and doctorates, the transcription of materials in the academic world. Let's say, for example, you're a speaker or nag-lecture ka. Yan. Examples include class lectures, seminars, videos, and other source materials for research papers and interviews. Many prestigious universities and colleges now offer their course content free online, which mostly includes transcription. Audio and video podcasters, yan. This 2022, napapanahon yung niche na to, and it's also important for the podcasters to have like a written document of what they talked about in their podcast. So offering a transcription of your podcast gives a choice to those who prefer reading information instead of listening. Okay? I'll read that again. Offering a transcription of your podcast gives a choice to those who prefer reading information, yung mga gustong nagbabasa na lang sila instead of listening to it. Ako, I prefer reading than listening. Some other people prefer naman yung audio file while they're working or while they're on the gym, ganyan. Pero ako, I prefer the written. Bookworm kasi ako. So, para sa amin, it's important to have something that you can read on. Okay? So, podcast transcription is also an alternative form for your audience to absorb the material, increasing its reach. Seminars, conference, and keynote speakers also need you. When they conduct an event, or when you conduct an event, getting the keynote speech transcribed is a great way to give it staying power. When a transcribed version of keynote speech is available online, its outreach is hugely amplified. So, kasama dito yung mga senators, yung mga privileged speech nila and all that stuff. When yung speech nila nababasa at nada-download online, they give it so much power to this person. Okay? So, ganun din kahalaga na mayroong transcribed text dun sa mga sinabi nila na pwedeng balik-balikan, pwedeng maging inspiration, ganyan. Okay? So, that's another marketing tool for them. Now, what do you need when you are starting as a transcriptionist? Later on, I'm gonna give you some software that you can use as a transcriptionist. So, iisa-isahin natin yan, hihimayin natin. I also have a PDF file that you can download to know the software that you can use. But essentially, you need a desktop or a laptop, an internet connection, and your headphones. All right. So these are some of the sites that you can go to. You can go ahead and screenshot these. These are not everything. It's not limited to this, but some of the most popular sites for transcriptions are this. So if you already are a transcriptionist and you're listening to this and you might want to help another person or another freelancer that you can suggest, like, Coach, meron akong site na ganito, this is where I go to. Feel free to let us know para makatulong din tayo sa ibang mga students natin. Okay? And that's all for this recording. I'll see you on the next video.